Hello YouTube! Today, Friday, so our family coming over. This is gonna visit, and then we're gonna have some tacos today. That's what taco night. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat tacos, and then everybody's coming in. Even the kids is gonna coming in just to check out Bryce. Gonna come see us at our house. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Dito na sila Dayan, si Ella. Hi Ella! Hi! How are you? Come in! Ella?
Aray ko. Oo, kalimutan mo na to.
Tulog siya? Yeah, ito. Umiiyak na naman siya.
Kaya sabihin mo, hello Dream Team Vlog!
Hello! What are you gonna say? You gonna say Ella? Nandito na si Ella. Okay, ito na. Ayaw niya sa akin, guys. Umiiyak siya.
It's okay. Your mommy's there. I know. Nalim tumatan.
What are you gonna say? Ella!
Who is this, Ella? Who is this?
Oh, it's a baby, Ella.
Who is this?
Ella, it's a baby?
Who is that?
Ella, it's a baby?
Who is that?
Who is that?
Yeah,
Huh?
who is that?
Who's that? Ano nga kainin natin?
Siyempre. Kung ano-ano lang.
Kung ano na lang?
Hi, baby! Grabe na.
Pogi na eh, mga pogi na
Hindi,
eh.
gising na, no?
Oops!
Ala!
Ano yung mga dala mo diyan? Pantakos? Oh, tacos. Tacos daw. Wow! Ito yung mga kakainin natin. So, right.
Akin yung so pogi. Hoy! Isa ka galala. Sa sanitizer ka maligo.
Inumin mo din lahat na alcohol doon.
Hi, Brycey! Yung mukha niya. Hi, Brycey! Parang, hindi kamukha ko talaga siya. Kamukha mo to.
Itim ng anak mo, pati na anak mo.
Hi, let me do you some haul. So I got 3 burritos here. So we're gonna do taco night today. So here's what I got. Wait, no, I got this.
That's for my
What
family,
night?
remember?
You know what's this? You put your tacos inside.
It's the tacos inside?
Yes.
Oh.
If you want to, 1, 2, 3, there.
Oh, wow, okay.
Because you know our...
Well prepared. Oh.
So there's 2 kinds. There's one regular and then this one is a cheesy blasted. It's my first time seeing this, so we're gonna try this. Oh, I got 3 pala! I thought I got 2 of each.
Oh.
Okay. And I also got these because our people doesn't like crunchy tacos. So I got the tortilla.
Oh, the soft one.
soft one.
Okay.
So I got 4 of those, I think.
I see.
Papa loves that. The taco seasoning. Only mild because, you know,
They don't like spicy.
spicy.
I'm the only one eat spicy. Oh, what is that? Fish
The
fillet?
fish, because Papa doesn't eat beef.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
And of course, we got sour cream.
Oh.
Okay, I'll move this. And we also have cheese
Cheese.
and pasta.
And
for the
pasta, spaghetti. Oh, you're gonna make spaghetti as well?
Meron spaghetti sauce like outside.
Oh.
And
I
there's more,
see.
of course. We've got the beef. Of course, it wouldn't be taco without beef, right?
That's right.
And we have two kinds of beef.
What kind of beef?
One
Ooh.
from America and one from Canada.
Canada, made in American, made in Canada. Eh, no, joke lang yun.
Because of the tariff, we know
It's a ta-
And then we also got
Ooh.
ano si Jan? And tomato, of course.
Tomato.
Though we have salsa, but a fresh tomato will be the best,
Avocado.
And we're gonna make guacamole.
Guacamole.
of course.
Wow! Kompleto si Dayan.
So, alam mo naman.
Galing. Dapat ganyan lagi.
Oh my gosh.
There you go, guys. Complete.
So
Look at that.
We're gonna film another video, separate video of how to do this, how to prepare everything.
Ito, fully prepared na kami. Lulutuin na lang mamaya. Ready na. So, all goods na. Hintay lang namin yung mga iba namin kasama. So, sa ngayon, lalaro mo ng mga bata. Yan, enjoy nila yung mga... Kasi ngayon lang, bihira lang sila bihira lang sila nagkikita-kita. Ayan. Tataka si Bryce, batong ingay! Ella, what are you eating? Cupcake. Oh, wow. Is it good? Yummy? It's yummy? Yeah? Oh.
Yung anak ni Laika, hindi na nakalagpas sa newborn stage.
Laging bored.
Newborn pa din siya.
So we're gonna put all the rito. Okay, so next we're gonna cut up the iceberg lettuce.
Ano?
Iceberg lettuce.
Ano sabi? Okay na sana ka sa bulol kasi siya.
Alam mo pa nakatutagin ng mga pamilya sa Pilipinas yan. Hindi ka na talaga alam. Eh.
Pinapanood niya ni Pindy.
Kaya ka, hindi ka na talaga alam eh.
Ha? Muna?
So shout out to you, PJ. Thanks for watching. Dito natin ito para.
Ba't parang pati iceberg dito, pinapahiyak ako. Sumambra man itong hormones.
Naging ano na yun. Dapat dito natin para ano. Tapos sobrang nipis lang.
Talagang pati itong tomato.
Masag mo nga ito.
Lutuin na natin yung beef ng taco. So, onions muna. Mainit na ba?
Sobrang init na eh.
Lagyan na natin yung beef. Ay! Medyo malaki yung beef natin. Kasi madami kami, guys. Ayan, guys. Malambot na siya. Tutuin lang natin ng konti yung sauce niya para hindi siya masyadong masabaw. Palambutin lang natin. Konti pa. Yun, guys. Okay na to. Pwede natin itaping sa tacos. Luto na yung beef. Tapos, yung ating pasta sa spaghetti. Yan. Okay na din. Ready ko lang yun, guys.
Alright, so we're doing cheese.
Nacho sauce.
For nacho
Ano kaya yan? Madami na kaya yan, guys.
Yeah, madami na to.
Close up.
Hindi pa mag-tone na yung iba.
Nacho sauce. I think tama rin. Ito ang mga cook natin. Cook number 1.
Sushap to, sushap.
Cook number 2.
Oh, oh my gosh!
Tingnan mo, pretend cook number 3. Cooker? Are you a cookerish? Are you a cookerish for today's video?
Dapat naman sabi sa mukha ko. Kita na yung blemishes ko. Hindi malayo yan.
No, sobrang lapit. No, it's fine. Just go. We're the cookerish in town.
Okay na to, okay na.
Okay na. It's done.
Yeah.
Ano guys, ayan o. Dance party na sila. Hindi lang pala to taco night, dance party pa. Oh. Yeah, go Louie! Aiden! Yeah, si Nilo and Ella.
Ayan na po.
What is Ella doing? Oh no! Ella, stop Ella! Di ba yung photographer ka? Tapos pagtingin niya sa salamin, pagtingin niya sa salamin, nakakandong yung babae dito. Lagi niya sakit ang nagbatok niya, sabi niya, yung pala yung babae, nakasampa sa kanya. The whole time.
Napanood ko nga yun.
Yeah, the whole time, yung Japanese horror.
Huwag mo pansinin.
Oo nga, ubos na yung taco mo pagdating mo doon. Louie! Wow! Kakatakaw mo! Wow, Louie! Hala, bigay mo lang kasi.
High five. How about mommy?
Ayan si Joanne.
High five, tita. Daddy and mommy are together. They're eating.
Bye, Joanne.
Papa kiss? High five, Papa kiss. High five, kiss Papa kiss.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Ella. Bye-bye.